going on, y'all? Like I was saying in my other video, I'm gonna try to relocate the turn signal, and I'm gonna put the turn signal over here, so nice and low. So what I need to do first is unscrew this, take this reflector out. I'm unscrew the battery box, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do right now. It's a 10. Just twisting it off. Make it easier. Let's put that aside for now. I'm gonna take the box out next. Screwdriver. So I'm just gonna unscrew the box now. Box right here for now. What I'm gonna do now is take this ball off right here. So I'm using a 14. Loose it.
You see big basket, I put an oatmeal over there and the red
Boom. There you go. This turn signal right here. It's one zip tie. I'm gonna cut that right now. That's one. It goes down here. It goes. Boom. Oh. Flips there. Where is it? This is the turn signal. This is the turn signal right here. Bam. Now you open the little rubber guard right here. This is the wire where the turn signal is at. Okay, so this is the wire. Turn it back. Okay. Make sure you just memorize the color. So this, I'm colorblind, so okay. I'm gonna take that two off right there. I'm gonna see if I can just pull it. Oh, yep, you just pull it out. Straight out like that. Boom, pop right out. And the other one will do that now. Boom, see? Pull it right out. Now just take it out from the signal. Make sure you take it out from the ball. Take the ball out. There you have it. It's out. Now I just gotta relocate it. As you can see, the hole is small, so you're gonna need a drill and drill a bigger hole so it can fit properly. So I'm gonna show you how to drill it. So it's 3/8. Let's go. Oh. don't have a sand this metal thing. Let's just use a screw. Hopefully it'll fit. Let's check it out. Oh, it's kind of tight. Let me see. I just spin it in. Oh yeah, it's tight. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more. Just give us drill. I'm gonna just use the same thing, but I'm just gonna go like make it a little wider. Try it one more time. There you go. Pow. That's it. Now what you do is put the screw, the bolt back on. That's it. And just screw it back on the back end right here. Pretty simple to relocate the turn signal. Just tighten it. Okay. Like I said, the 14. Okay, put it right. Okay, right there. Nice and tight. And just so just line up the line where you want to put it. Follow the old line. Zip tie it back. Remember that little clip over here. So like I was saying, the little clip is right here. Just put everything back together. Clip it back on. You heard it? Boom. Here's the wire. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Let me stretch it out a little longer, cause right there. And just plug in back how we had it before. The light color blue. I'm not sure what color is that, but it looked blue to me. So just plug it back in. Boom. And the same thing goes for the other one. Plug that in. Boom. That's in. Now I know that's that turn signal I just worked on. I'm gonna take this one out for the other left turn signal so I can know. Boom. So basically that's how y'all really do it. It's pretty simple. Just zip tie, make it look nice. Put the cable, the box back on. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna continue the other side and I'm gonna show you the end result. So I just finished drilling this. Now I'm just putting the bolt back on. And then I should be completed with my relocating of my turn signal. Pretty simple. Know what you're doing. Be done probably less than 10 minutes. It looks way better too, to be honest with you. This is the wire that follows. Like I said, the color, match the color. Plug that in. Plug that in. It's all done right there. Bring the rubber back up so we can protect the wires. Get a Ziploc. Put the wires back together. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So the wires right there. Pull this more. Just tuck that in like that. So I'm just zip it right here. So it stay tucked in the inside. Like that in the box. Now I'm just gonna put the box back. Make sure the wire goes in here. Just put the screws back on. So I only got like 2 screws. As long as it stays on. Just one. That's up. There you go. So there you have it. Let me put the keys in. Let's check out the new turn signal. Dial. Aha. Looks nice too. Nice and low, not like the bunny ears type of thing. I might put the old light reflector over here just for a safety purpose, you know. I want to make sure people see me. But yeah, like I was saying, I put the light reflector back, and I kind of like how it looks like that. But yeah, I just want to add that to the video of what it looks like when I put the light reflector on over there. Not too shabby. That's it. That's how you relocate the turn signal. Like, if you like what you see, please like, comment below, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.